Hello and welcome back to the DoneDeal YouTube channel. I'm David OC and today we're going to be talking through some top tips of buying a used car from a dealer. We're going to talk about the advantages of buying a manufacturer approved car, all the things to look out for on a test drive, and of course different financing options. So sit back, enjoy the video, and we will get you into your next car. So it all starts at home. And now the first thing you need to do is figure out what car is right for you. So similarly to the video we did on buying a car privately, you need to assess the situation. Are you interested in a car with lots of space? Are you interested in a car that is really economical? Would you consider an electric car? These are all things you need to figure out, and once you do, then it's time to search. Now you have two options. You can go on your laptop, or you can quite simply just go on a smartphone. Download the DoneDeal app and then you begin searching. Now you can search on an overall price, or what you can actually do is search in a price per month. That way you can kind of fit it into your budget and make sure that it's something you can definitely afford. Once you're searching, have a scroll through, and then when you find a car that tickles your fancy, it's worth giving a little bit of an inquiry on the app, sending an email. If you have a trade-in you'd like to add, let them know all that information. If things are good, then organise a test drive and go down and view the car. So you've arrived at the dealership, you've met the salesman, he's given you the keys to go out and look at the car you're interested in, and you're going to get to take it for a test drive. Now there's kind of three key things to look out for when you're checking out the car. Number one would be the tyre thread, so making sure that the tyres don't need to be changed. Number two will be to check the service history, see if it's in need of a service. And last but not least is to use your eyes and have a look and see if there's any scratches on the car. Now the reason I'm not talking about mechanical issues is because with a manufacturer approved car, it has a comprehensive warranty, so you don't need to worry about the engine or the gearbox or anything like that. Once everything looks good there, then it's time to take it for a test drive. When it comes to taking the car for a test drive, the good news is when you're buying from a dealer, you are fully insured. So you can rest assured that everything is 100% perfect and you're good to take it for a drive. When you're out on the test drive, again, you don't have to worry too much about anything mechanical as it is fully covered in the warranty. However, have a listen out for things. See if there's anything blatantly obvious. And the other thing to check is that the mileage corresponds to what the ad says, as sometimes the car might have been out on a lot of test drives and could have racked up a few more miles. When you come back from your test drive, and if the car drove the way you wanted and it was the spec you liked and everything seems perfect, then it's time to go in and make a deal. Now, when it comes to negotiating, if you did find any faults in the car, use that in your favor. But other than that, a good negotiation is when the buyer and the seller are both happy. So go in, try and find that right price, and if it works out, you can drive away in your new car. When it comes to buying a car off a dealer, there are a huge amount of advantages as opposed to buying one privately. So first of all, if you're looking at a manufacturer approved car, you're going to get things like a warranty. It'll be up to 3 years if you extend it, and that is a lot of peace of mind. You can drive completely risk-free. The second thing is that when you get the car, it's going to have been through a multi-point comprehensive check to make sure the car is so safe, but also that it's basically a new car to you. Another advantage of buying from a dealer is that you can finance the car. Now, every individual dealer will have different options, so chat to them, but often you can get all sorts of finance, from a normal loan to hire purchase to even PCP, which is extremely popular. Common questions that the dealers receive are things like, do my golf clubs fit in the car? Will my bicycle go in? Do the seats fold flat? And then of course, can you get your child seats in? Is there ISOFIX points? These are the most common things to ask, but again, that's subjective to you and what you need from a car. All in all, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's been helpful and insightful in helping you buy your new car. We want to thank you for your time for watching the video, and we will see you in the near future.